we can really put them under the hood, put them under the car with the technician as if they're there live, it's a big boost of confidence for our guests that we're really telling them everything that's going on with the vehicle. We're giving them accurate measurements, and then we're showing them exactly where we're getting that from.
Whatever's on the video is there. You can't make it up. It's you know, it's like there it is. And to use it for both sales and service is great.
The gross per RO measurement is a pretty standard metric across the entire industry. We can tie what we believe to be a $50 to $70 per repair order lift to the time that we consistently started using CitNOW as a platform.
That's really helped us be in tune with being transparent with the customer and not hold anything back. I think it's a great product.
There's always a record of what's going on. When you start to add all this up to the bottom line, I mean, you're talking tens of thousands of dollars sometimes per month at a larger store. I'm looking at possibly, 50s and 60s and 70s of, thousands of dollars to get put to the bottom line.
Customer reactions have been overwhelmingly positive. A lot of customers really appreciate the opportunity to see what goes on behind the scenes.
We've made about 2,900 videos since launch. I think 750 of them have the vehicle health checks and the estimates attached to them. And the customers are always leaving comments. They always say great videos, love the feedback, great touch, even if they don't buy something.
And you see the results from it, especially you see the quickest results in service because car's here, it's being worked on, and here's your brake pads, here's the leak. There's not a story anymore, it's just right there on the video.
A lot of times before, they just have to take us on our word of, oh, this is leaking, this is broken. But with the video, they can actually see that this is leaking and this is broken.
I monitor the dashboard 3 to 4 times a day. So I watch videos. If I see a 5-star review and an approval for $2,800, I want to thank that technician. I want to see what he's saying. I want to see how he's speaking. I want to see how he's explaining what the measurement on the tires is. Not the tires just at 3 millimeters. Your tires are at 3 millimeters. This is when the manufacturer deems them worn out. So it's not just the video, it's also the explanation behind it.
A lot of things in the business world, you can focus on it and you'll see improvement, and then you focus on something over here and it goes right back down. The videos keep happening, and so the confidence is there that it stays there. So our hours per hour have really come up and stayed up with the product.